Hello everyone! Cleave out a section of the hair in the front and then make multiple sections on the side. After making the multiple sections on the side, take a section at the back and then begin to braid the hair. Make a normal braid out of it, join it all together on a ponytail at the bottom, add a decorative bow to it. Next, take a section from the front of a hair and then tie a rubber band to it. Divide it into two parts and then make two sections out of one of the sections. Then braid the other section, add two rubber bands in the middle of it. Join both the ponytails together, add multiple sections out of it, join the braids together at the bottom as well. Take a section from the top, divide it into two portions and then divide the bottom of the hair into two portions as well. Now, taking each individual section, begin to braid the hair. As you progress with the braid of one of them, when you reach the side, begin to include more and more sections of the hair into it. Now, as you progress and reach the bottom, tie a normal rubber band to it. Then, at the back with the second section as well, continue to include more and more sections of the hair once you reach the back. Do this with the alternate sides as you can see as we have done in the video. At the bottom, tie a ponytail, make a small section out of the ponytail, add a rubber band to the middle, roll the hair in on itself, lift it up and make a bow out of it. Add a rubber band to the middle section once again, lift it up and tie another bow underneath it. Divide the hair into multiple sections as such, taking the top section first, roll the hair in on itself and bring it out through the front. After you have done this, make two braids out of it. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections from the same section that you have taken out to begin with. It should give you this rather loose, elongated braid and that is puffed out a little bit. Clip it up at the back once you are done with one and then proceed to the other. Join them together and tie a rubber band to it. Now join both of these together, crisscross it and then tie it up to a braid at the bottom, which will be rolled up into a bun. Take a section from the top, divide it into two parts. Taking one of the parts, add multiple sections out of it, and each part you make, leave out a small section out of it. Now, take the three sections and then join them at the back as such. Divide them and join them into each ponytail that you have created. Now, divide the ponytail into two parts and then twist them one on top of the other as such. Add a rubber band in the middle section and then twist the bottom as well. Add another rubber band underneath it and then roll it up into a bun accordingly. Add a rubber band around it and you may also fasten it using bobby pins. Take a section off the top of the scalp in the center and then add multiple rubber bands to it. In the sides, make multiple sections and then tie multiple rubber bands to it. Join it to the top ponytail. Make a braid out of this section, roll it up into a bun. Take a section from the front, tie it up and then roll the hair in on itself. Divide the section into two parts and then, taking the two parts, one of them, begin to braid it. Divide it into three parts before you do so. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it as such. Now, join it at the back. Take the second section and make a braid out of this as well. However, include the sections of the hair before the central parting into this braid. Use the opposite sides for each of these braids. Once you are done with this, tie it up at the bottom in a normal braid and roll it upwards. Now add some hair gel to the hair and then section out the front of the hair. Begin to braid the hair and as you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it. Now continue to do this until you reach the bottom and then once you reach the bottom, tie a rubber band to it. Do this on either side and then at the back, section out the back of the hair. Tie it all together and add a decorative bow. Make two ponytails on either side and then braid both of these ponytails, wrap it up into the shape of a bow, add a decorative clip. Take the top section of the hair, make multiple sections out of it, make two ponytails on either side, then use a bun stick, wrap the hair around this bun stick, and then adjust it accordingly. After this, add a decorative rubber band to it. Take the front section of the hair, make two braids out of it, join it together, and wrap it up at the back. Thank you for watching.